I got zero doubt in my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish in the shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you well, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. So some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right hand, my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking.
Come on.
And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. How them strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm not talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? Can't you tell?
Who's that, Luna? Oh, look, you say hi. Look. Who's that? You gonna say hi to everybody? Yeah, you good girl. You wanna say hi? All right, you wanna go play with Henry? She comes right back to my feet. What? You want to come up here? Aww. She wanted to jump back up here. Hi. Oh, come here. You're such a good girl. Are you a good girl? She wanted to jump right back on my leg. Look at this. I put her down, she jumped right back up. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Yeah, you good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, you are. Give daddy kisses. Is that what you're doing? Oh, there we go. All right. They're like show dogs. Oh, thanks, man. What a compliment. So we were talking yesterday, and I was like, this is probably the bottom right here, right? So we had our head and shoulders, measured it out, dropped it down, put our green line in, like, all right, that's probably the bottom. We put our purple square in up here, and like, here's all the liquidity. This is where price is going to come. And now we're doing all of that. So what's next, right? What is next? Next, you just hold your crypto. That's it. And chill here and hang out. That's all you do. You chill here and you hang out and you hold your crypto. That's it. Hello. Hi. She's looking up at me with those little eyes. You're so cute. You're so cute. You know that? Oh, she wants to be so close to me because she's scared probably. Lunk at $1, please. Yo, bro, you're good, bro. If it goes, I'm selling it. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Yeah, prices are going up, baby. I got a feeling it'll go to $1, then drop. You think so? Well, let me log in, baby. Let me say what up to everybody. Max Payne, Moonshot is here. Bobby Z, my boy Fabian. Hold on, let me hit the traffic lights real quick. Pow. Not a robot, baby. I'm not a robot. Trust me. Ooh. All right, hold on. Wait, where is it? Authy. KuCoin. 949-808. Trust this device. Bam. All right, we're in. Let me put my trading password in. There we go. Let's go to assets. Because I'm just gonna put the order in. Luna, where you going, sweetheart? You wanna jump down? You can jump down. Well, you wanna come back up here? Come here. You wanna come back up? You okay? You good girl. I try to always be nice, like in the nice voice to them, because I don't ever want them to know like anything bad, like any mean stuff. Moonshot, Bobby Z, Fabian, USMC later. Robin is here. Robin, what are you doing in here, you silly goose? Max again. KN Baron. I wish I had better service, but just saying hello, bro. It's been a while. We got to play some Rec Room paintball again, bro. We got to play some paintball. Bro, I missed my Doge GF Millionaire, bro. Where you been? Bro? All right, let's get, what is it again? Lunk. This Lunk is shit. That's why they call it. That's probably why it is. It's not Luna Classic. It's Lunk of shit. So irritating. All right, let's move it all over, because I'm going to sell mine too if that happens. We'll confirm it. We'll go to trading. We'll go trade this thing. Where is it? Spot trading. All right, where's our balance? Where is our Lunk? 215,000. 114,000 of that and change is yours. We'll just say 115,000, I guess. And 100,000, 331 is mine, all right? Just to make it even. And we want to put a limit order in to sell. So we want to sell at $1, 100%. There it is. Price, 1 USD, 215,000 Luna Classic. We're selling at $1. You sure we shouldn't do like 92 cents just in case it barely gets to $1 and just goes back down? What if it just gets to like 91 cent 50? 91 cent 50, 91.5 or whatever, 0.915 and just drops. Yeah, think about that too. This is what I do to lottery players in the gas stations. I'm like, I saw you look at that one. That's the one, right? And they're like, oh, shit, you're probably right. I got to buy that one, too. Well, her hand touched that one. You should probably buy that one, too. Yeah, you're right. Let me buy that one, too. I do that to people all day. All right, so 0.912. We'll sell it all at 91 cent 2. There it is right there. That's the price we're selling it at. All right. We'll each have about 100K. All right. Now we can log out. Oh, shit. I didn't mean log out. Come on, bro. I moved to the middle of the jungle in Hawaii on the big island. Oh, wow. Might not be Oculus ready. Jay Waters, my boy Jay. What is up, man? Hope I see you tonight, bro. Hope everything's good. Yes. I didn't know. Wait. Don't you know pump it up? Yes, you got to pump it up, baby. Whoa. What is this? What the fotch is going on here? Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. See, this is what happens after a head and shoulders drop and you bottom out. You get this nice, I hope this isn't like a dead cat bounce, you know? A, B, C correction. I'm just kidding. So after you drop down, we bottom out. Now it's we just go up from here. We sit back and relax. We came right in here on Equilibrium Games. We came right in and touched that liquidity box. And let's see where we're at for WadsPay token. Look at this action. Look at WadsPay token. Look at this. We are getting action, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Bitcoin. Where's Blocktopia? Look at Blocktopia. Remember, it's coming up to this trend line. Let's see if Bitcoin has the same trend line. It does, too. Check this out. Remember this. Where is it? That's not it. All right, so pretty much I'll be there, my guy. Big story for everyone, but I'm good. Just wanted to jump in and say, hey, see what you're up to. I appreciate you, bro. Honestly, I do. Thank you for stopping in. Means a lot, man. Means a lot. All right, so right up here, 25,000, 24,009 is where we're going to see if this is going to follow through. Right here for Bitcoin. Let's change this to yellow. There. This line right here. This is the line. See? This is the trend line. Right there. All right. We got to get above 25,000 for Bitcoin. For this to be the real deal Holyfield, we got to go above this and retest it. So we got to go up, retest it, and continue higher. That's what we need to do. And if that happens, well, we're going to continue to be off to the races. It's that simple. It is that simple. I'd really like to see WadsPay do something here. Oh my God, Blocktopia. Shit, what the hell? Get out of here. All right, about right there. So for Blocktopia would be 0.0039. Yes, definitely. Definitely an easy bull trap. Cold beer, I agree. That's why you just enjoy it right now on the way up. And the point of no return, the point is right here at 24.9. Where is it? This is why we pay attention to this trend line. Because this would be the point where you bounce off. So either going to come up and fall back down, or we're going to get past it and move on. That's what they call a bull trap. If it goes up and then everything just drops. Yeah, definitely cold beer. I expect the same exact thing. Some coins might be sooner than others. Not sure if you remember me from Pokemon Go back at Great Escape. Wow, that was a long time ago. Yes, that was a long, long time ago, man. WadsPay, we hodl XRP. That's right, man. We just hodl that WadsPay, bro. He said, "Don't get too hype." You guys are talking to me like I'm new to this or something. Don't get too hype. You guys talk to me like I'm new to this or something. We're coming up for this liquidity right now. We're going to see what this liquidity grab looks like, and then we're probably going to drop. Yeah, it was a long time ago, man. Oh my God. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I got into I got into competitive Fortnite, and I won. I got a lot of first place trophies. I won a lot of Fortnite tournaments. I got a lot of second places and third places too. Um, but yeah, my channel. Let's go. Let's go back to the Call of Duty days. 4 years ago. 4 years ago was when I was making Call of Duty videos. 4 years ago. 2 years ago, I did something quickly. I dropped a video, and then I got into, about a year and a half ago, I got into crypto, and I just turned my channel into cryptocurrency, and we have over like 400 videos for crypto now. I pray for different coins to rocket. Yeah. I want to see, exactly, Max. That's a great point. I want to see a lot of coins breaking out. I want to see a lot of different coins breaking out on their own. They move up with Bitcoin during this little pump, but some coins might just take off on their own and just start doing their own thing. So that's what we're looking for as well. We're looking for coins to just grab their momentum, grab the momentum, and just go. Exactly right. Yes, you're OG fan. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. Watch you grow the channel and get a new setup. Super proud, G. Definitely, bro. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I think it's like my, man, fourth setup from like, I've been doing this like 6 years, so this is like my fourth setup. XRP price discovery, OFAC, and Ripple. What is this?
Guys, what's going on? Bruce Lee Harker back at it like a crack at it. Crypto Hawk turned badass. If you're an XRP holder, then listen up. You'll want to go ahead and click the link in my bio right now to bring you up to date on all Crypto Hawk's news, views, and of course, he'll be sipping his brews. Stay tuned.
What the fuck? What was that? Are people really simping that hard for him, man? Jesus, bro. What the fuck? What is this? I don't even know if I want to look at this. Hold on. This just got interesting. Major win. SEC is in really rough shape. XRP clarity is imminent. Everyone's talking about clarity, but nothing has happened with clarity. Yeah, isn't it funny how everything comes together? Isn't it funny how everything comes together at the exact perfect time? This is it. It's happening. It's coming. Any day now. Any day, any week, any month, any time from now going into the near future, it's happening. But yeah, this liquidity grab, if it is going to be just a liquidity grab of this purplish area that we put up here. So whenever this is over with, all this is the remaining of these vector candles over here, these small vector candles. That's why you draw that over here, because price can always come up and grab the liquidity back. That's why you always put a square up here, because that's where price is going to want to go to before it comes back down. So it comes down, it hits the bottom of this head and shoulders, plays out perfectly, comes up, grabs some liquidity, comes back down, probably comes up like this, probably does something like this, who knows. But we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see what's really going to happen. I'm big in the SHIB Doge because all dogs go to heaven. I hope so, man, for your sake. Yes, let's do it. Let's see what everybody's talking about. It's all or nothing for Bitcoin. Oh man, I remember that. I remember that. I remember that interview with Crypto Andy from Quincy. People went crazy for Quincy when he came on the scene. Let me see. Where is his channel? Where's Coin Club Crypto? Yeah, he's got 37,000. He's like got the same amount that when he first came on the scene, he got like 30,000 almost immediately. And he's gotten up to 37. So has it really been a couple months for him?
Break down tokenizing debt. Now, for one, I'm gonna be doing these live streams a bit more often just because it helps me flow a little bit better. Got this new whiteboard, got a little bit of this new setup, but got this new mic, of course, that's definitely needed. Before
I can't even hear him.
I do anything, let's do a mic check. So anybody in the chat, is the mic?
Yeah, look at his. I love Quincy, bro. Look at his little stick figures. I love it.
Gonna be talking about Web 2, Web 3, apps versus dApps, what's the difference, and really kind of just break down how this new technology really works in comparison to how the technology we typically deal with works. Hopefully my mic is working. I double checked this time. Seems like everything's good to go. And yeah, kind of the biggest thing is one, I want to break down how these technologies like work in a sense.
You gotta love Quincy, man. He's the best. We haven't talked to Quincy. It's been like a couple months since we talked to Quincy, I think. Oh, 2 minutes ago.
It's getting pretty serious for crypto. Not trying to be cute here, but the space is very fortunate to have the XRP community. We are more war ready, with nearly 20 months of experience. Quite a powerful decentralized fighting machine already assembled.
Whoa! So the SEC tried to throw Deaton off the case. We're not having any of that, are we? Hey, everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan.
The case as the SEC had hoped, but by attacking Deaton personally, the SEC opened the door to filing of the SEC dirty laundry.
That was Jungle Link, someone whose Day 20 roadmap goals for massive and truly a role model. What really stands out is that she is a true journalist. She went to Simpson Thacher and asked them, well, why did you actually end your membership with the Ethereum Alliance? They gave her an answer back, and she revealed that in the Twitter Live. Simpson Thacher evaluates its professional memberships, industry affiliations, and subscriptions on an ongoing basis, taking into account the value they provide.
Why does my channel do that? Yo, guys, I'm about to go back to just like the wall behind me. I swear. Hold on, let me try to fix it. Filters, chroma key. Let me try to adjust this chroma key. Hold on. Color spill reduction, smoothness, similarity. Maybe right there. All right, let's try this again.
To clients. John replied with a timestamp prediction. Simpson Thacher ending its membership with EEA, that is the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, was 100% intentional and it attempts to lay the groundwork for Hinman to publicly address the issue. They are minimizing the membership. Hinman will claim he knew nothing about it when he gave the speech. If we were putting money on predictions, I'd bet on this one.
Dimes to donuts. Dimes to donuts.
Stu Alderati, Ripple's general counsel, penned an op-ed in the Real Clear Markets today, zeroing right in on Sherman.
Division of Enforcement to send a sweep letter to a particular sector of the crypto community designed to jam them into a violation that is allegedly unconstitutional. And if any company does not respond to said sweep letter, which I'll reiterate, as you've said several times, are supposed to be voluntary, then the SEC would make it a, quote, bloodbath for them. If true, I imagine such a tactic would significantly erode trust between the public and the SEC. Here's the problem. The SEC isn't interested in clarifying what areas of the crypto industry fall under SEC jurisdiction. We know that because FinHub, that you've referred to, the SEC division focused on crafting crypto regulation, has essentially dissolved under Gensler. Nonetheless, while abandoning good faith attempts to clarify how the Commission's existing authority applies to digital assets, the SEC is hell-bent on expanding the size of its crypto enforcement division and using enforcement to unconstitutionally expand its jurisdiction. Under Chair Gensler, the SEC has become a power-hungry regulator, politicizing enforcement, baiting companies to, quote, come in and talk to the Commission, then hitting them with enforcement actions and discouraging good faith cooperation. Understand, sir, there is a new day coming. Thank you. I yield back.
I've looked at Bitcoin and wondered whether there was a big enough market among
Look at Brad Sherman.
terrorists, drug dealers, and it didn't seem to be enough.
Cryptocurrencies are a crock. What social benefit do they provide?
I can't listen to this garbage. Like, this guy is like so ignorant, it's not even funny. Or he's just getting paid to say that, right? He's just getting paid to say that. It's simple. So simple. XRP 11 cents. XRP, let's get this off of here. There we go. That's about it for Blocktopia. You can see this miniature inverse head and shoulders just played out at the top there. Like, that's pretty much it for that. What are you guys up to today? What is today? Today is Wednesday. What's everyone up to on Wednesday today? What are you guys doing? I woke up late today. I woke up at 2 o'clock today, a little after 2, and I haven't slept in like that in a long time. I haven't slept in a long time. What are you guys up to, man? How are you guys doing today? What's everybody doing on a Wednesday? 7 minutes ago.
Talk about the internet of value at Ripple. We're thinking much.
And folks, do you guys recall this? Judge Torres modified the proposed calendar. Motions to exclude expert testimony must be fully briefed by August 30th, 2020. Motion for summary judgment must be fully briefed by November 15th, 2022. And from the looks of this, I remember I covered this and we were talking about and speculating how even Judge Torres is trying to get this case done and over with, before the end of this year. And, her deciding November 15th is like no more, the cutoff date. 2022 is what we're looking at right now. ISO 20022 country implementation plans. And this is what this article is referring to. And this correlates with Judge Torres in November. So one thing I want to point out is that this FSB press release that was just done this month, just a couple of weeks ago, FSB proposes key performance indicators for measuring progress towards the G20 cross-border payment targets. And this is what they're talking of systems. So let's get right into it. promoting the adoption of common message formats such as a harmonized version of ISO 20022 and application program.
One more push down. I mean, we come up, we do liquidity grab. I don't think we go lower than 32 cents. I don't think we go lower than 32 cents. I mean, price could come down from here, but I don't know if we go lower than 32. I mean, anything's possible, but we hit our target, and now I think we might bounce around here a little bit, like, you know.
Programming interface API protocols can play an important role in the payment system interlinking and more generally in addressing data standards and quality and quantity.
Oh, you got 2,700 pounds on the sidelines? Hey. Nice, bro.
Quantity restrictions in cross-border payments.
We do want to have an open and interoperable system, nationally and especially internationally.
Infrastructures and arrangements. Take a look at this.
Fuck?
They are working on the CBDCs.
We do want
Shan Magaratan Nam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow.
to have an open and interoperable system, nationally and especially internationally. Central bank digital currencies are not constructed to be interoperable.
Interoperability between central bank digital currencies
is very much there needs to be interoperability globally. And even in a world of CBDCs, you still need interoperability to solve that problem.
Under coordinated regulatory, supervisory, and oversight frameworks, as you guys could see, all these boxes are filled up all the way up until 2025 because they're still going to be working and reviewing the interactions between data frameworks and cross-border. Conducting this going forward, well, they have been started since first, and a lot of stuff happened in November 2021, folks, with the liquidity hub coming out for Ripple.
Crazy, man. So crazy. Things are coming together pretty quickly, actually. Things are coming together pretty quickly.
Today, Ethereum trade is pull out the most important metric, in my opinion, when it comes to determining the RSI on the bottom, the orange line.
Oh my God, the RSI. Look at this. So oversold. So oversold, this RSI. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's never really went that far below. This thing's about to release like a spring, man. I wouldn't doubt it if it did.
RSI on the bottom. Let me quickly show you. Let me zoom out a little bit. The RSI on the bottom, the orange line here, is showing us the relative strength index, whether Bitcoin is overbought or oversold. Whenever the RSI goes into the very high area here, like in 2013, 2017, and also last year, 2021, that is when usually the Bitcoin bull market comes to an end. And every single time, everyone, including me, is saying, hey, maybe a little bit higher, we can go a little bit higher, but then of course eventually it ends. The same thing is on the bottom. I already marked it with the circles here. 2014 Bitcoin bear market bottom. We hit 44 on the RSI. Bear market end, we are going higher. Yet, go and ask Da Vinci. At this point of time, everyone expected even lower prices. 2019, 2018 November approximately, we hit the bear market bottom. RSI 44. You can see the 44 right there. This is it. 44 on the RSI on the monthly. We are hitting it. Yet everyone expecting $7,000, $8,000, $9,000.
Yeah, and those are the super bears. Those are the people who they're always going to say lower prices, lower, lower, lower. It's never going to happen. Let's get Bitcoin up here on the monthly. BTC, USD. Oh, hold on. There we go. Monthly. Wow, look at that. Under 44. It went under 44. This thing went to 41. So when this starts, so when the purple crosses the yellow, it's time to make money. And it's coming. It's coming in a few months. It's coming. Maybe less. Could be a month. Could be 2 months. Could be 3. Just be ready.
$1,000 for Bitcoin. As if we have not learned from the last 10, 15, 20 like dips down for Bitcoin, from the last 3, 4 bear markets for Bitcoin, where every single time things are different, but in the end of the day they are very, very similar. Now we are hitting these levels again, and people yet still waiting. And why are those people in danger? Well, the biggest cost for Bitcoin for people is not created by maybe buying, selling here a little bit, or like having a bad trade every now and then. This happens also. The biggest cost is opportunity cost. If you are standing on the sidelines right now and Bitcoin reverses, and you're going to wait for your low entry price at like 17,000, 18,000, I want to get at
That's gone. That could be gone.
least what I could have gotten before. You're gonna be standing on the sidelines, and if Bitcoin climbs up to 200,000-300,000,
Moonshot, that's why I don't wait. If I had $3,000 on the sideline, it'd be in the market. It would be in already. It would have been in at XRP at 33 cents. It would have been in already. It would have been in at 38 cents. Because who knows when this thing is going to take off.
500,000, $1 million for Bitcoin in the next few years. You're gonna be standing there without any Bitcoins on your hand. This is exactly how the biggest cost is created. Opportunity cost, dear ladies and gentlemen. And this is why my strategy on Bitcoin, besides my trading strategy, yes, I'm having these few million $US trades open right now, is just holding. I'm not doing anything. Bitcoin goes higher, I'm holding. Bitcoin goes lower, I'm holding. Please finally understand that this has been, in the last 11 years, the best strategy, outperforming everyone in Bitcoin. And if you're not doing that, do your own research. Only my humble opinion. You are, at least when it comes to your opportunity cost, in big danger. Let me know what you think.
You heard it here first. Just got cash today. I'm just saying, don't wait. You said you got it on the sidelines. Don't leave it on the sidelines is all I'm saying, bro. Don't yell at me, bro.
Think about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I want to see
guys, go smash up his like button to an all-time high, please. I'm going to give you the link. Go give Crypto likes. He is here for us, man. He is here for us. I love Crypto. Go give him likes. Bro, 1 moon. I'm fucking dying. Work is bullshit, bro. Work is bullshit. I'm fucking dying too. I'm poor. All my fucking money is in crypto, man. Look at this. Look at all this stuff, bro. Look. I'm freaking poor too. All my money's in crypto. Bro, I got carrots in my refrigerator, bro. I'm starving here. I lost 10 pounds in the last 3 weeks. Please, crypto. I want to eat. Oh, you guys are out of control. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's once this crosses yellow, it's over. It's going to the freaking moon, baby. Where's XRP? You know what? XRP deserves its own chart. What am I doing? XRP deserves its own chart. We don't share charts here. Give me the monthly on XRP. Look at this. Look. See, the cross was right here. When this RSI is going to come up to cross this yellow line, see? Look. Look. It crossed here. People made money. It crossed here. people went on to make a lot of money. All you got to do is pay attention to this RSI. That is it. Pay attention to the RSI. Jay Tabula in the house, baby. Let's go. My boy Jay in the house. But we only worry about the monthly. The monthly tells us the truth. The monthly tells us the truth. When this purple line crosses this yellow line, when it gets close and it's about to cross, that's when we're about to get rich. All right? But who knows? Who knows? Maybe because you see how this long waiting after the bull market here. We had a nice run up here. Then we had this, and now we're here. But also keep in mind that Bitcoin went up, went below, and then made a higher high. And that's never happened before in the history of Bitcoin, ever. So who knows what's going to happen? Things that have never happened before are happening. I want to eat too, man. I want to eat, bro. I'm starving. All my money's in crypto, bro. Bought more XRP today? That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Buy more XRP. Let's go. Buy it. Buy it. No window, love. No window, love. Sell the weed. No window, love. Go sell it. Sell the weed.
Hey, Kenny. How they treating you in there?
Let's just say I'm not getting the respect a cop killer deserves.
All right, time's up. Break off. Here we go.
I was up all night getting harassed.
Hey, the fish.
See what I mean? I think they're mistaking my kindness for weakness. I'm scared.
Hey, Kenny. We're gonna get you out of there, man.
All we gotta do is raise 10% of 1 million, yo. Which by our calculations is fucking impossible, man. Come on.
Hey, $1 million.
Sorry, man. Sorry. All my life I did everything right. I never screwed up. I fed the horse. I didn't know I was a diabetic. I was scared.
Kenny, stop crying. Stop crying, Kenny. Look at me. Come on, don't let them see you crying there. Come on, man. Show me your mean face.
30.
But we'll get you out, right, guys?
9. It's me.
Go.
Love you guys.
Oh, that wasn't the part? Where's the part where he says, no window, love, go sell the weed? Anyway, no, don't do the countdown. Hooked off my credit card? Yo, man, I would max out my credit card for crypto and then just not pay it until crypto goes off and then pay it.
Hello, everybody. From that. And so really, guys, once again, we're coming back up into contact with this red level. If we can get back above this and kind of hold support here, I think that sets us up for another high. But in that same sense, if we can't get above this level and this turns into more of a resistance, then I would expect us to fall and retest all the way back down to our range lows at about $19,000. So that's what I'm watching for Bitcoin in the short term. Now, guys, let's talk about some other things that I feel are really important when we're analyzing our market cap as far as dominance goes, but it's hard to say. It could be actual continuation and inverse consolidation that we've been in, and then from that point, extended period of uptrending. This is a long period of uptrending that we've been in here, right? Chart, guys, this going into now is trying to find which cryptos are the best, the safest to accumulate before that cycle ends up playing out. And in my opinion, Ethereum has cemented itself as doing that just simply because it's one of the...
Ethereum BTC? Well, let's look at ETH BTC. Oh my. Oh my. The purple line's about to cross the yellow line, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shenanigans. The hell's going on here? It's bouncing off the 200 EMA. Donovan, he never answered me why the 4-year cycle never played out.
First, and because it's one of the...
Mr. NC, you didn't miss anything. We're good, bro.
First, it's got the head start, the leader's advantage, so to speak, inside of these cycles. I believe that Ethereum will be able to scale, and so for me personally, I've bet my investment capital inside of buying a large portion of Ethereum. I own Bitcoin, I own Ethereum, and Ethereum and Bitcoin are my two biggest positions because I think that those are really the safest ones that you can have. With us going into Ethereum, I think that the cycles are ultimately telling us that this is a greater accumulation structure that is taking place. If we're looking for a longer term investment, Ethereum is my bigger investment over Bitcoin because I believe that this chart and the fundamentals are lining up for it to do better long term. Bitcoin already has such a high market cap, and it's not that Bitcoin isn't going to continue to get massive adoption, because it will. It's just that I believe Ethereum is more undervalued, and it's a little bit more of a speculative investment that will yield a higher ROI long term. So when I'm looking at this, guys, I think if this is a long-term accumulation structure, this is a multi-year rounded bottom formation that is forming. And now, you know, this is just the 200-week moving average. I just had this up because it's just happened to be up. But with us actually getting above this level, it kind of is laying above both of our resistance levels. And I think that that's a telling sign. This was our multi-year resistance that we went through. And when we actually made a new... That has to do with the big picture timeframes on Bitcoin. Let's get to the log chart. In my opinion, with us missing our wave 5 on the big scale, that's kind of what our Ethereum chart is showing us. We're still missing our wave 5 and our completion of this multi-year cycle. Once we actually get that, in my opinion, that's when we get our true euphoric top inside of Ethereum. And then from there, we'll probably have another, you know, multi-year bear market type of thing. It's hard to say what'll happen. You can't predict the future. But what we can say is that we are missing our major wave 5 of this cycle.
All right, Donovan Jolly, there he is. There he is. Oh, I forgot to hit the like button on his channel.
Why? Fish than the big fish.
Disease this country is dying from. Given this, several entities have all stepped up Sherman's biggest donors, and it seems like that's what really matters to the congressman. Among those, one tweet that really got to me was from JV the Great. I guess Coinbase and the rest of the crypto industry thought that the SEC would stop at XRP with the security claims. LOL. Hope they're prepared to delist most of their listings. Brian Armstrong should have stepped up and joined Ripple from the beginning. But guys, this wraps it all up for me. It's clear to me the SEC cares more about delaying the outcome of the Ripple case than the outcome itself. That's why they're attacking crypto on multiple fronts. LBRY, Coinbase, other tokens, etc. They don't want a loss against Ripple before they can score a win somewhere else. Whereas, somewhere else across the country, in order to underscore its digital residency, the government of Palau has decided to employ the Ripple protocol to build a USD-backed coin on the XRP ledger as the country's official digital token. News of this was disclosed to the general public following the introduction of a digital residency bill by Palau's House of Delegates that would allow foreign investors to start businesses from afar and also open its market to the use of crypto.
The XRPL is doing things, baby. Doing big things. XRPL is doing big things. Coins Kid. How to get rich in this market. Ooh, 3 hours ago. Look at Ethereum Classic. It's popped up to 30. That's what's up. People are gonna need to start apologizing to. Let's go.
Whatever industry you pick, if you outwork everybody, if you try to be a little smarter than everybody, if you try to be a better salesperson than everybody, if you try to be better prepared than everybody, you've got your best chance. Because if you don't do it and somebody else does, you know, I have the saying, work like someone's trying to take it all away from you. You know, I actually work like someone's spending 24 hours, working 24 hours to take it all away from you. And that's kind of the way I look at it.
Keys to success, etc. What would you say is the number one reason why people fail? Not necessarily why they make it, the complete opposite.
Right, lack of brains, lack of effort.
Lack of brains, lack of effort.
Yeah, they don't do the work. They don't learn, you know. When you walk in the room, when you start a business and you start to talk about somebody, you're never in a vacuum with no competition, you know, unless you're just extremely lucky. And if there's going to be competition, that means somebody else knows your business as well as you do when you get started. And if you walk harder, faster, better, and so you have to be right. But still, I don't want anybody at the Mavs to be able to say, well, he's not willing to do the work, right? There's, you know, if I
Still saying the same thing 10 minutes into the video. I get it, bro. Work harder, work smarter. I get it. I get it. 2 hours ago, Swift admits they'll use Ripple XRP. Well, we all know that. Recession has what? Has arrived? There's no recession. There's no recession. Why are they trying to scare people? Get your crypto off the exchanges. The recession is here. I'm the bearable, but there's no recession, bro. Crypto. My crypto's been on BitTrue for fucking like a year or close to it. It's just fine. What is this? Key and Peele are so funny, man. So stupid. XRP, Keemon. Get him, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Incredible construction techniques that are... Huh. Never have a bad day again?
Hello there. Today I'm going to change your life. You're envisioning that you're breathing into your heart. Imagine almost as if...
Thanks for tuning in. I talk like I'm fake as fuck. Where's all this noise coming from outside of my house? I keep looking at my monitors. Itching to put more in. Let's see where this, I mean, yeah, I mean, 30 cents is a great price for XRP, so 11 cents is an amazing price for XLM. This is an even bigger head and shoulders that, wow. Insane. I hear some piece of shit vehicle outside. Oh, that's who it is. It's that idiot. Crazy. Under a dollar. Yo, for real, under $1 is an amazing buy. Sorry, guys. I just had something going on outside of my house. I was trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Got these idiots that bought this house behind me, and they got these morons working for them that just drop shit everywhere. Don't pick shit up. It's so annoying. So worthless. Silvio Macaulay. Yeah, he's a genius, man. All right, I am going to go get a cup of coffee. I'll be right back.
Well, Nasdaq has been seeing some favorable movement to the upside. Fast move is the false move is what the hybrid system says. But of course, the FOMC news announcements that will be coming out very shortly, ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing it across the board right now. People are fearing on what they are actually going to talk about. Mike Burry talking about the idea of the big short. He starts saying that now is the last time really for things to go up, because after that, recession's going to roll out. Are we in a recession, ladies and gentlemen? How many of you believe we are in a recession? How many of you believe we ain't even near a recession? Because we know we're in stagflation. We know economic growth is slowing down according to Walmart, according to Apple. We know that unemployment is still a problem, and we know that inflation is high. So what can we expect? Another big rate hike coming today as the Fed battles inflation. Economy hangs in balance, ladies and gentlemen. It's all hype. That's what it is, guys. It's all hype. What are they going to do? What is my guy, Mr. Powell, going to actually do to Bitcoin? What's he going to do to the dollar index? What's he going to do to the NASDAQ? Let's put things into perspective, ladies and gentlemen. Mad love and respect to anyone passing through to tonight's live. I will be speaking at speeds of light. I will be throwing out all the orders that are coming through to the book map, ladies and gentlemen. We got some very interesting price action on the book map right now. They have been eating the liquidation points for the longs. So, sorry, for the shorts. If we just have a look, you can see over here, they hit nearly, what, $50,000-$60,000 worth of liquidations in the chart. Happy days. They took out those traders who refused to pay themselves. Now, the interesting part, they've already been getting a habit of hitting these liquidation points. We are naturally anticipating that the shorts are going to get liquidated, but are they going to actually go for it today? All right, we've got 1,068 Bitcoin hit at the highest point. Remember what we said in today's live stream. The delta. The delta gives us the clue. Now we're starting to see Bitcoin maybe coming towards the 21,450 zone. We've got commitment by traders. We've got 21,750. We've got 1,005 Bitcoin stacked in the order book. Will they come back towards that point? Will we see Bitcoin make the way up towards the 800 EMA? But ladies and gentlemen, go back to today's live stream. Recovery of the red vector candle, guys. Happy days. My 4-year-old projected that. Happy days. So I'm going to buy her an ice cream. Ladies and gentlemen, in the next 1 minute, the games begin, guys. The games begin. Let's keep an eye on the chart. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got some movement in the chart already. I don't even know where to go. Bitcoin's starting to make some movement. NASDAQ hasn't moved just yet. We got some liquidity coming in. Here we go. Keep an eye out. There's lots of liquidity coming into Bitcoin right now, guys. NASDAQ making some big moves. Sit tight, ladies and gentlemen. This is all anticipation for the news announcements. Be very cautious, guys. Please, man, be cautious. Pay yourselves where necessary. Pay yourselves where possible, because it's going to get very tricky, guys. Oh my days, what an interesting time. Here we go, just pay attention to the chart. They're getting busy right now. Here we go, big spike by Ethereum, spiked up by Bitcoin right there, ladies and gentlemen. They didn't follow through with the 800 EMA. We got what we got right here, 2,923 Bitcoin. They've taken that liquidity, and they are not looking like they want to make that move just yet. Just yet, ladies and gentlemen, look how fast everything is moving right now. Ethereum is making a nice move to the upside. Look at the dollar index itself. Dollar index is still holding. Be very careful, because where you would expect the dollar index to drop, Bitcoin isn't doing and following suit. Hold on a second. NASDAQ has paused. NASDAQ has paused. That's not a good sign. NASDAQ now starting to make its move. Is dollar index going to drop lower? What is Bitcoin going to get through right now? Here we go. They've absorbed that 1,000 Bitcoin right there. Stop hunt rise. They've come and hit the liquidity. We would naturally expect traders to come in at this point, and now we're waiting for that liquidity to start rolling in. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very interesting time right now in the chart, guys. Just looking across the board, I can see Ethereum is the only one that is ripping it apart, guys. Ethereum is the only one that's making the moves right now. Let's just pay attention. Look at that wick right there, ladies and gentlemen. Absolute madness. Coming back up into the previous recovery of the vector candle right there. Now they look like they want to try and bring it back. Be very cautious, guys. Nothing has come out just yet, guys. Wait there. Let me just see what's happening over here. We got any news announcements coming from that? Let's just flip over to here. Let's see if they actually do decide to do this. 75 confirmed, ladies and gentlemen. 75 appears to be confirmed. That's sort of all right for the markets. Will the dollar dominance come into play? Bitcoin is making that move to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. We've got some interesting price action. 22 nearby. Can we see that? NASDAQ hasn't really reacted to the move, ladies and gentlemen. NASDAQ hasn't really reacted. It's the FOMC that's going to make the deciding factor. 22K for Bitcoin. Let's see if they do actually come into that zone, guys. Let's see if they do it. NASDAQ is starting to make its move as well. Got to be very cautious with this, guys, because they can simply snap it back. Just be very cautious with this price action. Dollar index coming down.
Is that what you guys would rather me be? You want me to just call the horse race? You want me to just sit here and call the horse race? Oh, come on, WadsPay. Make moves. Let's put this down on the 15-minute real quick just to take a look. All right, so we got right here, we got the move right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 Elliott waves. That's 5 Elliott waves. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 right there. So the chances of a continuation from here are not that great. Could it go up more? Of course it could. Look at all this liquidity it can grab. But we got 5 Elliott waves up already. I think we need to come down and touch the top of the middle of the W right here, but over here. So let's draw the line. There it is. There it is. It's either going to come down and touch that line or that one. Got enough money left to see me over until next pay. Moonshot. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I just had a little chicken with some diet ranch dressing. Oh, my God. Some boneless chicken. We had shish kebabs yesterday. It was so good. My wife and I made them together in the kitchen. They were so freaking good, man. So good. All right. Yeah, that chicken was so good. What do you guys want to talk about, man? Let's talk about some stuff. Let's talk about some stuff. 17.5K. Damn, you bought it, bro. You had Chinese takeout? Oh, I haven't had Chinese in such a long time. I would love some Chinese. This diet, like, I feel good, but I don't like feeling hungry all the time, you know? Don't like feeling hungry all the time. I got some cash on the side in case of mega crash. Want to buy? Yeah, I know the feeling, man. The only difference is I don't have cash on the side. But I used to have cash on the side, and I would like sit there and be like, I don't know, man. Should I just get it now? Should I just get it now? If it was XLM and we were talking about buying some XLM, then I'd be like, yeah, right now's the time. Like, I wouldn't wait for a 9 cent. I would have put all my money in right here. Right here is where I would have put all my money in, because I was watching all of this. This is where I would have bought a ton of XLM. Don't get me wrong, right here is not a terrible time either. Like, it's a great time. Mongolian beef with fried rice and egg. Oh, hot and sour soup. Really? Ooh. Yeah, I just don't want to have a heart attack, you know? I'm pushing 40. I don't want to have a heart attack. So I'm just trying to eat. I'm trying to clear the heart out, the veins out of all that cholesterol. I'm trying to get rid of it, you know, by eating the good stuff. I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Trying to get rid of it. Once I got past the 2 week part, it was a little better. Once I got through 2 weeks, I'm going on 3 weeks now. I'm probably gonna make a shake. That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing, is making a shake, because those shakes really do it for me. If I didn't have the shakes, I'd be in trouble. Yeah, if I didn't have the shakes, I'd be in trouble, for sure. All right. I'm still growing at my age, guys. Keep growing sideways. Your training sessions burn it off? Yeah, but they don't burn off inside of your veins that are pumping your blood. Burns it off the fat, maybe, but not the cholesterol inside of your veins in your heart. Doesn't burn it out of there. Snake diet, bro. It's so stupid. The snake diet. That's where it's at. Man, Blocktopia, bro. What are you doing? Mm. There we go. Sorry, guys. All right. All right, there we go. Man. Blocktopia. What do I do? What do I do, Blocktopia? $340. All right, I'm not selling my. I'm not doing that. Man, Blocktopia. I don't know, man. I feel like I gotta leave Blocktopia alone for a little bit. I think EQ is gonna do some numbers. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Did you see that refresh? Did you see that refresh? Oh my God! Look at that. It was only that right there. And look what just came. Look what just came. Oh my God. I put more money into EQ last night because it came down and tapped this liquidity. Once it came down and tapped this liquidity, I was like, this thing could be going up, you know? Prefer. Where's prefer? What the hell is going on here? How did Messiah get deleted? What is going on? Eat shrimp, it's meat and not fat. Prefer. What happened to prefer? Is he timed out? Is prefer timed out? Are you fixing it or do I need to fix it? Kevin Cage?
Now, the registered all-time high price for XRP is approximately $3.84. Now, other exchanges may be $3.30. Bottom line is that XRP was one of the best performers in the crypto market in 2017. In the past couple years, there's been a few assets that maybe did a 50x or 100x return, and apparently some of the newcomers that never zoom out on a chart and they're just looking at the price history here are saying that it's better than XRP. And I usually just facepalm. When you're looking at a chart, do not zoom in. Look at all of the price history. Now, in terms of Elliott waves and cycles, there's different types of cycles. So there's a grand super cycle, that's a multi-century cycle. Of course, crypto's young, we're not there yet. There's a super cycle that refers to a multi-decade, maybe 40 to 70 year period. Then there's just a cycle, which lasts several years. And as you can see on the weekly chart, from that high all the way until breaking past.
What up, Pro Jeep? What up, Messiah? What up, Prefer Anonymous?
It was in this range for over 1,200 days, several years, over 172 weeks. Now today, from the previous all-time high that was set in January 2018, we've been in this range for over 200 weeks, over 1,570 days. And if you saw my previous video, the longer the base, the longer the period of consolidation, the higher in space, the bigger the period of expansion of rocketing to higher prices. Now, the XRP ledger had its 10-year anniversary just a couple months ago, and as you can see, an old Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, going all the way up to a full 55, then the previous high reaches a 34. And the 89 Fib extension is over $5. Now, if XRP ever does that same measured move that we witnessed here, over a 100,000 pump from that low, that's well over a $100 XRP. Now, if we plot a new Fibonacci retracement on the high to the low, we can see that we came up to the 50% retracement, wick to perfection, and then rejected. Still consolidating below the 236. With the previous fractal from the high to the low, we didn't reject the 50, but we almost got there. We actually rejected the 382. Then came below the 236, consolidated, and then boom. You can pause the screen right here if you want to see some of these key levels and Fib extensions. Next up, Constellation price chart. This is DAG or DAG. So, from its all institutions have vested interest in the Ether ecosystem. And to be clear, I love Ether. I think it'll be here to stay. But I'm all for improvements of technology, and I'm okay. And their supply is completely finite. They will not be minting any more tokens. So, when all of that supply is in circulation, I'm talking in the next 3, 5, and 10 years, I cannot help but imagine that Algo will be much higher in price. I know Algo's all-time high with that wick was over $5. The other registered all-time high is like $2.50. I've personally always imagined Algo, especially after the token release, now that we're finally ripping the band-aid off, I believe that it is an easy double-digit asset, maybe triple someday. And that's exactly how I feel about XRP. Now, look at the next Bitcoin halving, when DeFi is fully implemented, when a huge percentage of the total supply is staked, when multi-trillion-dollar market caps. And a lot of people forget, this is not a company. This is software that is going to be used by the biggest companies. This is has a $100 million fund backing it with some of the biggest VCs in the world. To me, it's an obvious slow but sure winner. And the same exact thing for Casper. If you guys have not looked at the tech stack, the capabilities for Casper's network and its features, I highly recommend it. There's a variety of great YouTube channels. There's great podcasts out there. Go through the blog, read each blog. And I'll try to do some dedicated videos, but there is so much information. So I just showed you some assets that did a 100x. I showed you some assets that did a 2000x from their all-time low price. And Ether did a 1,000,000% pump. Now, bottom line, we are in the first inning. Do not let this bear market get to you. I'll still be here monitoring things. And here's my big macro watch list, at least on coinmarketcap.com. I can't name every single altcoin, guys. I've done videos on Energy Web, XTC. There's just so much to keep track of. So I just choose.
All right, prefers back. We're good to go. We're good to go now. What to do. What do I do here? Sugar cookies. Come on, EQ, get that pump off, baby. Let's see, where's my total at? We got... Okay. $3,000 XRP. All right, there we go. Man, I can't wait to see. 34 cents could be the retest. I mean, also, the retest could be like right here somewhere. This could be the retest, but we'll see what happens. I got some stuff to do in an hour, so I'm going to go hang out with Henry and Luna for a little bit. And about 7 o'clock, New York time, I'll be back on, and we shall hang out. I'm Jada Blur. Until next time, we'll put out some more videos. Peace.
I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. XRP better than the competition, that's why every day I increase my position. Fill up a bag, that's another addition. Ripple can't be stuck cause they on a mission. Saving you time and money, that's significant. Some might be similar but no equivalent. Slowly the market becoming legitimate. Making millions after millions is imminent. XRP better than the competition, that's why every day I increase my position. Fill up a bag, that's another addition. Ripple can't be stuck cause they on a mission. Saving you time and money, that's significant. Some might be similar but no equivalent. Slowly the market becoming legitimate. Making millions after millions is imminent. In with the new, out with the old. I'm telling the future, it's being foretold. Fiat currency ain't backed by gold. Now watch how this new revolution unfold. Everything hidden in plain sight. Ripple been given the green light. We getting closer to it every night. XRP ready to take flight. I filled up my bags with another load. XRP ready for beast mode. Don't do no riddles, no need to decode. XRP clearly is about to explode. Ripple the weapon, XRP the ammo. XRP the keys, Ripple the piano. Ripple the cowboy, XRP the lasso. This financial reset gon' be a fiasco. A lot of people do not comprehend. Correspondent banking coming to an end. Digital assets becoming a trend. Push of a button for money to send. Some people don't think it's that big of a deal. Some people don't even think that it's real. Wait till the price go right through the roof. Then show me how you really feel. BIS, IMF, FED, BOE. Can't forget about the ECB. RBC, ATB, PNC, SCB, they all know about XRP. XRP better than the competition, that's why every day I increase my position. Fill up a bag, that's another addition. Ripple can't be stuck cause they on a mission. Saving you time and money, that's significant. Some might be similar but no equivalent. Slowly the market becoming legitimate. Making millions after millions is imminent. XRP better than the competition, that's why every day I increase my position. Fill up a bag, that's another addition.